So this noise is a bad noise, and that noise is the bolt on the mount for the motor rubbing up against the flywheel. So we've got to separate it a little bit. We just go around and just smack it out a little bit. So that's pretty tight. There's not a whole lot of run out in that, and I can't get to the to tighten the set screws back there. So there's a pretty good chance when I'm putting it together, I'm gonna mess it up and squeeze too hard and then get that jammed together. But there's not a lot I can do about it right now.